lot of patients are asking questions regarding this COVID-19 and cancer care. They are hesitant to come to hospitals. So let us take a few of the questions. I'll try to answer so that it helps you. If you are feeling well and if we have suggested some chemotherapy treatment, you can safely take it. So since our hospital being a cancer only center, we have made certain work to see to it that the hospital is coronavirus free. We are triaging patients before they enter into the hospital. We do take some precautions like keeping a social distance, avoiding crowding at any one particular place, and providing enough hand sanitizers at all the places inside the hospital. And for all the other people who are entering into the hospital also, we are screening before they enter into the hospital premises. This is the same for the hospital staff as well. So for as much as possible, we are trying to keep the hospital coronavirus free. So coming to hospital is not a risk as such to acquire coronavirus infection. So for all your cancer treatments, you can safely come to the hospital. We are also doing certain steps, like for all the patients who are taking chemotherapy, we do give you a call one day before you come to the hospital to inquire about you. And as much as possible, we have also started doing teleconsultations wherein we can see you virtually through the internet. We have tried to minimize the follow-up of the patients as well, so that there is the avoidance of overcrowding inside the hospitals. So overall, with these measures, we have tried to make the hospital coronavirus free environment. We have suggested that one patient will bring only one attender who is able to take care of you, who is able to listen to you and take decisions regarding any treatment plans. Based on the experiences in various other countries in the last few months, the patients who have cancer, who are taking treatment in the form of chemotherapy or immunotherapy or surgery for that matter, they have been found to have some high risk as compared to the normal population. So these people are more likely to get pneumonias and other problems because of the COVID-19. So yes, if you ask if there is an increased risk, yes it is. So how to mitigate that increased risk? The first thing is social distancing. You need to be at least 2 meters apart from the next person as much as possible. So that itself reduces the risk of acquiring coronavirus infection. The next thing is frequent hand washing, at least 20 seconds at a time. It can be as frequent as 10 to 12 times in a day. As and when you remember to have a hand wash, you can go ahead and do it. And the third thing is to avoid patients who are having cough or fever. If you are sick at any point of time, you can just call the hospital. We have provided emergency phone numbers, emergency WhatsApp contacts, which you can contact at any point of time. So instead of directly coming into the hospital, we suggest that you need to call the hospital first. Okay. So what we can help is we can offer you teleconsultation. We can even video chat with you in case such a situation arises. If we feel that you need to come, then we will always call you, and the hospital is always open. Wearing mask reduces the chances of acquiring infection, reduces the chance of transmitting infection to another person. So according to current guidelines, everyone, regardless of whether they are having any symptoms, should wear a mask. So there are many masks which are available: surgical masks, N95 masks, just a cloth mask. If you ask which is the best one, if you are a patient, you are staying at home, practicing social isolation, and you are having a frequent hand wash, a normal cloth mask is sufficient for you. The patients who are on chemotherapy or who have recently undergone surgery, those such patients are at a high risk of developing problems because of coronavirus infections. So prevention is better than cure. So please take all precautions so that you don't get coronavirus infections. And if you do get, and if you get any sort of fever or cough, we suggest you to just give a call. No need to come to hospital. You just give us a call. We will take care from that point of time.